Good morning everyone, my name is Shagun. Welcome to the Akashvani program of Study IQ. Today we are presenting to you the important news of the last week from which questions can be asked in the examinations. Before moving forward, I'd like to tell you that you can join my Telegram channel for all the updates of Akashvani videos. Let's get started. General Manoj Pandey appointed next Army Chief. Recently, Vice Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey, has been appointed as the Chief of Army Staff. He is the first engineer to be appointed as the Chief of Army Staff. He'll take over on April 30th, when the current General Manoj Mukund Narwane retires. Let us tell you that General Narwane is currently the senior-most and front-runner for the post of CDS. Army chiefs have a tenure of 62 years or 3 years, whichever is earlier, while the age limit for Chief of Defence Staff is 65 years with no fixed tenure defined. Lieutenant General Pandey was commissioned into the Corps of Engineers, the Bombay Sappers, in December 1982. He took over as the Vice Chief on 1st February, and before that, he was the General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Eastern Command. He also served as the 15th Commander-in-Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command. He was posted as Chief Engineer in the United Nations missions in Ethiopia and Eritrea. Now the next news. WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine during an event in Jamnagar, Gujarat. During this, along with the Director General of the World Health Organization, Prime Minister of Mauritius and the Union Minister of Ayush were present. Prime Ministers of Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan have participated virtually in this program. Let us tell you that the Global Ayush Investment and Innovation Summit will be held in Gandhinagar from April 20th to 22nd. The aim of the summit is to increase investment and innovations in the field of traditional medicine. It seeks to foster long-term partnerships, boost exports, and foster a sustainable ecosystem. The Global Center for Traditional Medicine, that is GSTM, reflects WHO and India's commitment to global health. GSTM seeks to lay down policies and standards on traditional medicine products, helps countries build a comprehensive, safe and high-quality health system. Moving on to the next news. INS Vakshir. India has got its 6th Scorpene-class submarine, INS Vakshir. Mazgaon Dock in Mumbai has so far delivered 4 Scorpene-class submarines to the Indian Navy under Project 75, INS Kalvari, INS Khanderi, INS Karanj and INS Vela. The Vakshir is named after the fish, a deadly deep-sea predatory fish in the Indian Ocean. INS Vakshir will undergo sea trials and may be inducted into the Navy by March 2024. INS Vakshir is a diesel-electric submarine. It can carry out many missions like anti-surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, intelligence gathering, laying mines, area surveillance, etc. The attack can be launched with both torpedoes and tube-launched anti-ship missiles at the same time, underwater or on the surface. Let's move on to the next news. Earth Day 2022. Earth Day, celebrated every year on 22 April, is a reminder to protect the environment, restore damaged ecosystems, and lead a more sustainable life. The day was first observed in 1970 and in 2022 marks its 52nd anniversary. Earth Day was first celebrated in the United States in 1970 when about 20 million people took to the streets to protest the 1969 Santa Barbara oil spill. The day has also played an important role in raising awareness on other environmental issues. The historic Paris Agreement was signed on Earth Day in 2016 by nearly 200 countries to reduce global greenhouse emissions. In 2009, the United Nations designated 22 April as International Earth Day. This year's theme is Invest in Our Planet. So friends, this was it for today. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.